साथियों, बैक टू मदर नेचर चैनल में आपका स्वागत है। अभी फ़िलहाल मैं चंद्रकांत सुवर्णा यहाँ पे चारकोप सेक्टर 8 टर्जन पॉइंट पे हूँ और आपको बहुत से वीडियोस और फोटोज़ मिले होंगे पहले का कि यहाँ पे जो मैंग्रोव्स कटने वाले हैं। तो आज जो है 12 फरवरी 2026 यहाँ पे बहुत से साथियों यहाँ पे जमा हुए हैं। आप मेरे कैमरामैन से रिक्वेस्ट करूँगा कि आप दिखा दीजिए, पिच टैन करिए ना। ये देखिएगा, ये जितने भी हमारे साथी हैं सब अपना जो है काम धंधा वक्त निकाल के इसमें से हर एक बंदे जो है जॉब करते हैं। यहाँ पे कोई फ्री नहीं बैठा साथियों। जहाँ तक भी वीडियो पहुँच रही है पूरे मुंबई में, आप देखिए अलग अलग पोस्टर यहाँ पे है। मुंबई कर्स इन डेंजर, आप देखिए सेव मैंग्रोव सेव मुंबई। यहाँ पे आपको बता दूँ 60,000 में से 45,000 मैंग्रोव्स को नष्ट किया जाएगा। और एक इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ ये है कि फॉरेस्ट क्लियरेंस जो है पूरी तरह से मिला नहीं है और बहुत से जो परमिशंस है यहाँ पे मिला नहीं है, फिर भी यहाँ पे काम चालू है साथियों। आप देख सकते हो कि पाइलिंग मशीन यहाँ पे है और पूरे जो कंस्ट्रक्शन यहाँ पे चल रहा है। सवाल सभी मुंबईकर से ये है कि 45,000 मैंग्रोव्स मरने के बाद अगर आप यहाँ पे आएंगे तो कुछ फ़ायदा नहीं है। तो आइए जानते हैं, हमारे बहुत से यहाँ पे साथी हैं कि उनको क्या लगता है। आप एक एक करके आप जान सकते हो। हमारे बीच में नताशा परेरा जी है। नताशा जी, आप लोग जो यहाँ पे जमा हुए हो तो 1-2 मिनट आप शेयर कर सकते हो।
So we are here. Mangrove Cell hasn't given permission to cut mangroves. Yeah. So I am Natasha Pereira, and we are here gathered at Turzen Point, Sector 8 in Charkop. The Mangrove Cell hasn't given permission to cut down mangroves, but they have given permission to do the soil testing. That's it. And we haven't got stage 2 forest clearance. So the mangrove cutting, if it happens, is completely illegal. So we need to stop any kind of illegal mangrove cutting if it happens. And one more thing is, once these mangroves are cut, so it will invite floods. And the day when a cyclone takes place, that is the fun which is going to happen. The cyclone, the winds are so high, come at a rapid speed. All over from the Arabian Sea, we have seen cyclones getting so rough, and then they can come into this creek in a rough way. And then when we have no mangroves, where will this water accumulate? It will accumulate here itself. And so much destruction of mangroves, if it happens, we need to stop all this before the flooding and before it takes away the lives of Mumbaikars during cyclones. With a sea level rise of 4.5 millimeter every year, imagine with no mangroves as your shield. You're taking away your own shield. So this will be your consequence. You act today and you come today. Stop all this. No mangrove cutting at all.
So Natasha, after how many days will all the cutting of the mangroves will take place? Any news about it?
We don't know, but if it happens illegally, Mangrove Cell hasn't given permission to cut mangroves. They haven't obtained stage 2 forest clearance, which is the final thing. So any mangrove cutting which happens here is illegal and we can take action on them. Plus the citizens do not want mangrove cutting. When in different mangrove forests in Mumbai, there is a notice board put that you cannot do grazing, you cannot burn the mangrove forest, you cannot dump soil. Why is our own this government destroying their own natural shield? So this doesn't make sense. When you are putting notice boards all over the forest, how can this go away? This is also a mangrove forest. They are already taken. How come they are being a hypocrite? One side you are saying you don't cut down forest, there will be an imprisonment of 1 year and a fine of some 5 or 10,000. On the other side you are doing this. How come this can go away?
But they are saying,
if I have to cut down mangroves or some dump soil, I will be arrested. But this will allow. How can 45,000 be allowed?
but Natasha, people are saying that High Court has given the order. So what is that exact order? What is the exact conditional order? Can you please explain to our viewers?
So that order says mangrove cutting cannot happen. First of all, you have to do the compensation, and while mangrove cutting happens, simultaneously the compensation is done. But however, they have identified a place in north of Mumbai, somewhere in Bayandargaon and Palghar. However, this satellites
Chandrapur
and Chandrapur also. But then Chandrapur is this terrestrial forest. How can you cannot compensate? You cannot cut mangroves here and compensate it's somewhere far away,
Okay.
800 kilometers away, or
Okay.
like many kilometers away in the north of Mumbai.
So do you all getting any kind of a support in the localities, locals from this Charkop Sector 8?
Regarding that, we are raising awareness. So that is like we need to raise a lot of awareness on this.
फाइन साथियों, आप अभी देख